Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting power and the display right. Plug the Wii's AC adapter into the console and into the outlet, then flip the outlet on. Once done, position the sensor bar above or below your TV roughly 0, 5 to 1, 5 meters away to ensure accurate pointing. Make sure the Wii remote has fresh AA batteries, then turn on the TV and set its input to the port the Wii uses. This prepares the system for syncing and initial boot without delays. You now sync controllers and configure the system. Press the red sync button on the Wii console, then on the Wii remote, watch the LEDs settle to confirm pairing. Next, use the Wii menu to adjust language, screen aspect, 16 to 9 or 4 to 3, and sensor calibration to fine-tune pointer accuracy. If you need a system update, insert an SD card in the slot before continuing. Finally, open the disc tray and insert a game to start play, or select a channel from the Wii menu. You finish by starting a session and learning controls. Press it to confirm menu choices, hold B for actions that require the trigger, and use the D-pad for navigation. Combine motion gestures when games request them. Make sure you secure the wrist strap and play in a clear area to prevent accidents. If the pointer drifts or disconnects, resync the controller, replace or recharge the batteries, reposition the sensor bar, and reduce bright infrared sources like direct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.